Hello students, today I am going to continue with the topic formation of wind current on earth. The wind currents are found due to the uneven heating of the earth. Why does it happen? The equatorial regions receives more sunlight compared to the polar regions. Here is the equator, it receives more sunlight than the polar region, so it gets more heated. Okay, so the air near the earth's surface in the equatorial regions got heated and rises up, and the process continues. And the high pressure region on the either side of the equator, they rises up to the latitude of 30 degree and flows into the low pressure region to fill up the blank space. The warm air which rises up cools and sinks down to the regions of latitude nearly 30 degree north and south of the equator. As the cool air sinks, whereas they become higher pressure regions, so again and again this process gets continued, and the wind flows towards the poles at region of latitude around 60 degree from the equator. Then it meets with the cold air from the poles and rises up, creating low pressure region in the areas. Due to the effect of rotation of earth, the wind flowing to the northern hemisphere bends toward its right position, and the wind in the southern hemisphere bends toward its left position. Due to the origin of the force, then it is called the Coriolis force. It's caused by the rotation of earth on its own axis. And now the direction of the Coriolis force in the northern hemisphere is towards its right position, and in southern hemisphere its left position. So this is how the formation of wind currents happen in earth. Now, unequal heating of the land and the sea. Okay, so during summer, the places near the equator gets more heated by the sun rays and causing the air cover up with warm and rise, and the cooler air from the high pressure zone comes to the lower pressure zone to fill up the blanks. And these moisture carrying winds cause heavy rainfall, and they are called the monsoon winds because they carries the wind, the water drops with them, the moisture with them. The word monsoon comes from the Arabic word that means mausim, that means season. Okay, it describes a seasonal change, seasonal wind shift over a region, and usually accompanied by increase in the precipitation. The monsoon countries such as Vietnam, Thailand, Cambodia, Bangladesh, India, Japan, China, Pakistan, Korea. It's also found in Australia, North America, which are called the Mexican monsoons. In India, monsoon system is very prominent. Okay, so we found in from June, July, and the winter season starts from around October to January, and the southwest during the warmest months are June, July. Monsoon brings large amounts of rainfall to the region during June and July. And in summer, the uneven heating of land, especially in the Rajasthan desert areas, they generate monsoon winds from the southwest direction, and the winds carry a lot of water from the Indian Ocean. So for uneven heating of land and water generates winds from the northwest colder lands, and these wind carries the little water, hence brings small amount of water in rain in winter. Now rain is very important. They play an important role in our environment. They provides water for agriculture, helps in recharging the water bodies such as pond, lake, river, water reservoirs. However, excessive rainfall cause floods and damage the life and property. Now wind speed and direction. The speed with which wind blows at given time is called the wind speed. Here are some instruments to measure wind speed, wind direction. Anemometer is used for measuring the speed of wind. Wind vane, that is used to observe the wind direction. Wind sock, this tool is used to determine the direction of wind as well as the strength of wind. So today I am ending with this topic, wind speed. In next class we will continue with storms. Thank you.